What's up, ATM Squad? Yo guys, welcome back to another video. I should be saying good morning to you guys right now because right now it is 8:48 in the morning. There we go, 8:48 in the morning. And yo guys, today we're about to be doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. I have the handcuffs right here and Jordan is downstairs sleeping. So drop a like if you haven't, subscribe, comment ATM Squad in the comment section down below to officially be a member of the ATM Squad. Subscribe, join ATM Squad. We finna be lit. We about to take over this YouTube thing, guys. I promise you. I'm about to go put these handcuffs on it right now. So let me know in the comment section right now how you think today is going to go, because I think today is going to be chaotic because I'm about to be handcuffed to my girlfriend for 24 hours. See how it goes? Baby, you know what we're doing today, right? No, wake up. Give me your arm. Give me your arm. Come on. I'm recording. The light? What do you want me to do about it? I got the handcuffs right here. You said what? Okay, but you're driving.
Okay, I do everything else on my right.
Alright, give me your left arm. Come on. Come on. Get up. Get ready. Get ready. I gotta put it on me too. Hold the camera. Wake up. You've been asleep. For how long? Like 4 hours? You're up all night for no reason.
4 hours exactly.
Playing the. I didn't get any sleep though. I didn't get any sleep though. Come on. Here's the camera. Oh snap. We gotta get in the shower and everything too. Handcuffed for 24 hours.
You got to get in the shower.
Hey, you should have been up. Oh, we about to see how today go. Drop a like on this video right now if you haven't yet. This is finna be freaking lit. Come on. Come on. Are you sure you don't want to change your arms? What do you mean? Come lay down. You're about to break the handcuffs. Why do you want me to lay down? Come on, get up. Get up. We going. Come on. Come on. I'm not trying to break the handcuffs.
Okay, then stop.
I'm not laying down. I'm trying to get this video. God dang. This is what I have to do. This is so weird eating with my left hand. Okay, so right now we're about to brush our teeth. I usually brush my teeth with this hand right here, so I have no idea. Can you use that? Can you use your other hand, please?
Duh.
Alright, appreciate it.
I don't brush my left.
Can you put the toothbrush on my toothbrush?
Put the toothbrush there.
The toothpaste on my toothbrush, please?
Why you got a kitty toothbrush?
I don't know, it's what the dentist gave me. Say what's up to YouTube.
Hi.
Say what's up ATM Squad.
ATM Squad. Yeah.
Can you drop my hand off, please?
Sitting down. Yeah.
Thank you. What was that?
I said, how are we doing this?
I'm driving, right?
No, I don't want you to drive anymore.
So I guess I'm gonna have to get in the car first, and you're gonna be driving with your right hand. So I don't know why you want to use this arm for you to be all crossed up like that, but all right. Come on. You hold the door for me. This is so weird. Ouch. Can you drive like that? Oh no.
It's normal.
How am I gonna hold the camera like this? This don't even make any sense. Okay, so if you didn't know that today we're gonna be doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge. And in today's video, we're just gonna be running some errands and be out in public, handcuffed together throughout the whole day. This morning we had some problems, but you know, fine now. From the last clip of us laying in bed, we ended up going to sleep. Time had passed, it started raining, and we had to wait for the rain to stop. You know, right now we're just about to head out. And what time is it right now?
2:08.
It's 2:08 right now. You still wanna go to Starbucks?
If you want to.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Starbucks real quick. Say what?
Why don't put my seatbelt on?
That's not, I don't think this is safe. If we get into an accident, it's because that she wants to drive and it's all her fault. So, y'all gonna be tuned. Y'all gonna be tuned. How am I gonna put my seatbelt? If we get into an accident, it's her fault, 18 squad. J Booze. J Booze.
Put that seatbelt on.
I'm trying. Oh, rush with me. This ain't safe, y'all. This ain't safe. We crisscross seatbelts halfway on. If we get pulled over, officer, I'm sorry.
This is not comfortable.
Do you want me to drive?
No.
So how you like driving right now?
So I can't, but I can't. Like, how am I going to turn?
Do you want me to drive real quick? We can
Where
just
are we
switch.
even going?
We're going to Walmart real quick.
Walmart?
Mm-hmm.
I can see if I can drive to Walmart.
All right. We're in the Starbucks drive-thru right now, still handcuffed together, and I'm hurt right now. I'm hurt. So whenever she drives and turns, I got to turn with her, and it's really hurting my wrist. Is your wrist hurt?
Yeah, my wrist hurt.
Where they hurt at?
Right there, right there.
What I'm about to get a strawberry acai or the acai refresher. It's like the best drink. You don't get it too fruity. You don't get it with lemonade. You just get it straight with like what is it? Strawberry like water. That's all you need. You don't need it too fruity. So that's what I'm about to get. Strawberry acai refresher large. All right, we made it to Walmart. Oh my God. Thank you for driving safe and not getting us into an accident. We have to get out of the car right now. Dang, what side do you want to get off on? I think this car is further. Up to you.
I guess your side.
On my side? Okay. Can you hold the camera for a second? You seatbelt off? Thank you. What's on my nose? What is that?
The fuzz from the hand.
Oh.
Okay, you gonna have to wait.
Come on. Alright, let me put this up here real quick. Hold the camera, please. Thank you. I need to readjust myself. Okay, I'm readjusted. I'm straight. Boy, looking flat as always. Look at my girl. Looking beautiful as always. Alright, here you go.
Sun is bright.
The sun's bright. People looking at us.
This is weird.
What? Gotta lock her door real quick. Didn't do anything yet.
Oh,
dang.
Come on now. I wonder why he think he could get a basket and get his drink at the same time. Why he think he could hold his drink and do everything?
Cause that's what I'm doing right now.
Let's see the struggle. Let's see the struggle. This is so weird.
Why didn't get hot as hell?
Oh my gosh. Are those Oh my gosh.
What?
It's packed too, y'all.
You said what?
Talking to them. So everybody's gonna be staring at us.
Can you hold this real quick?
I didn't sign up for this.
Return. I have the same card that I used.
But this one,
Did you taste this?
I don't know if I like it.
It's not cold.
You know that it don't come with no cup holder.
I've seen cards with some cup holders though.
Not Walmart.
Let me fix myself.
We're not doing nothing right now.
It's not fun.
Can we just hurry up and get out of here?
No. What's wrong?
I don't know. Come on now. I don't know. Excuse me.
Sorry. Sorry. Excuse me.
Get your sprinkles, girl.
Can you stop moving? It hurts.
That's how it's supposed to be. I can move my wrist. You want to move yours? I can move
I'm not
mine.
moving my wrist. You just hold yours up like that.
You're a crybaby.
It hurts.
And if I was editing
Let me
this,
do that.
if I was editing this, that'd be in here.
Do you want to hold the drink?
I didn't get a drink.
I'm trying to figure out what basketball I want to get. What basketball do you think?
I don't know.
Are you playing too? You should play. You're not doing anything else.
I don't know how to play basketball.
So what? Hold this, please. Thank you. Wait. I got in the car wrong. Alright, there we go. Oh. Okay, but I'm driving one arm. I really don't think it's gonna work, but you know, I'm gonna try my best and pray real quick that everything goes good. Alright. What's wrong with this?
That's supposed to be rough with my car. My baby don't like to be played with rough.
Alright, get out of here. See, this is much easier. Much more easier for me to drive than having my wrist hurt because somebody wants to drive. Okay. Should I get another? I think I should get another battery, huh? Yeah. Because this battery right here is about to die. So I need to go to Best Buy. You're not going to skip? Why not? Alright, come on, let's do it at the same time. I do, come on. Let's do it. Ready?
That's the car.
It's not fair. This is, I don't know. I don't know about this. I couldn't be attached to her for the rest of my life. I know that for a fact. I know that for a fact. Am I still driving or what? Alright. We are still attached. How long do you think we've been handcuffed for? To each other?
I don't know.
What time is it right now?
4:54.
Damn, we've been handcuffed for what? We've been handcuffed for like 8 hours. And time is still going. Good, thank you. You said what? Oh.
Terrible.
It's blurry. And Best Buy looking for a camera battery because this one's not going to last full 24 hours. Hopefully, the battery that I'm getting from here is already charged. I don't see a battery at all. Because I'm looking for the batteries. What's this?
Like you're talking to the camera.
That's what I'm supposed to be doing. So we're in Walmart again. I just picked up a car vacuum and Call of Duty Modern Warfare. I'm about to be playing that game all night, handcuffed with Jordan. But what are we doing after this? Getting food? What do you want? What are you hungry for? I'll catch you guys when we get back in the car.
The struggle of getting in the car. It's easy for me.
Huh?
Okay.
Easy for you? Yeah.
I didn't say that.
Yeah, you did. 8-10 squad. J Booze. I do not like this challenge at all. I don't like this. I don't like this. It's aggravating. It's aggravating. Anything you got to say?
I'm ready to be done. I'm ready to go home. I don't know why I keep thinking when I get home, it's just it's gonna be over, but it's not.
Nope. Got much longer to go. But we hungry. I want some food. I still want to go to the mall though. You still want to go to the mall or no?
I need gas. DeMarco.
Alright, but you know who, look at this. She needs gas, but it's this much up. It's daggone near halfway. Ooh, guess what? Camera's about to die. So I'm about to switch out the battery for you guys. Give me 1 second. We just got to the mall. And I forgot that it's Sunday and they close at 6 o'clock. So we gotta walk right back out. Oh my gosh. Alright, what are we doing now? I gotta figure it out. No, you gotta figure out what you want to eat. Yes. Yes. I'm gonna get some food in our stomach. And we're gonna figure out a place and I'm gonna sit us both down so we can eat. Maybe. Or just eat at home. I don't know. One or the other. But I'm gonna let you guys know. Still handcuffed. And it's really irritating. Wrist is hurting. Her wrist is hurting. There's marks on my freaking wrist. Let me show you guys.
But mine is smaller. I could move mine like really.
Right. She got all that. But no, this joint is so freaking tight on my wrist. Like, she has like the best advantage right now. I might have to end up the challenge. I might quit. I can't take it. My wrist has been hurting.
We need another record button. That's annoying.
Huh? See the oh.
Sorry.
Look. Okay, so the other camera, right? The Canon G7X Mark III. You
talking to them or me?
I'm talking to you. Okay, so the Canon G7X Mark III, you could tap the screen.
We're at Panda Express. Is it backwards? Is it backwards?
No, it's good. You can tap the screen to press record. What? I don't know. That one sound better or not?
I don't know if I want to eat it here.
Why not?
Well, I was looking and looking and staring and staring and looking and.
What did you get?
Black pepper chicken and teriyaki chicken and fried rice.
Let me try the black pepper chicken. I've never had it before. No, I'm not a fan. Too chewy. But I got the honey walnut shrimp and I got teriyaki chicken. Still handcuffed and.
I get teriyaki chicken.
Yeah, it is. Oh, orange chicken. I'm sorry. And what time is it? It's 6:19. And I got the coconut drink. And what is this? I'm eating with my left hand. I don't do this on a regular day basis. What hand do you usually eat with?
My right.
I'm lucky for you. That's messed up. That's real messed up.
I told you I do everything with my right hand.
So do I.
Okay, well I had to do my makeup. You didn't.
I'm switching arms. It felt so uncomfortable. I'm sorry. But you're gonna have to move when I move. Yes. I made a happy plate. Jordan, you make a happy plate? No.
I can't eat it all.
Why not?
That's disgusting.
It is? It looks weird too.
It's nasty.
I don't know. Somebody, you know who had to get it to go by. He full for real?
Duh.
Oh my goodness. Alright, come on. What are you doing? Oh, this real quick, please. What was that?
I said thank you.
Yo, no problem. But yo, right now, guys, A10 squad, I am full and I am tired. I think what I'm about to do is go home and go to sleep. That's exactly what I think I'm about to go do. And she's gonna have to do
what
with
he thinks he's about to do.
That's what.
Okay.
That's what I know I am about to go do. Actually,
Yeah.
that's what I know I'm gonna have to be doing.
Okay.
I'm gonna be on the ground, on the bed, wherever, sleeping. You're gonna have to be hanging over, arm over the bed or whatever you're on. You're gonna be still handcuffed to me. That's what we're about to go do.
You're not going to sleep.
I am going to sleep. I'm tired. I'm tired. I just ate all my food, and now I'm tired.
I'm tired too.
Okay, and you're gonna go to sleep too with these handcuffs on. I am so ready to get out of these handcuffs. What's funny? What's funny? What's funny? This is how I have to get her attention when she's not listening to me. What's funny?
This video.
Let me see.
No.
Why can't I see?
Because it was meant for me. It specifically says.
Like I was saying, I'm so ready to get these freaking handcuffs off. My energy is drained. Haven't been able to do what I wanted to do with my body for so many freaking hours. But I'm about to play me some Fortnite real quick. See like you forget the new Call of Duty Modern Warfare. I want to see if I can get a W in Fortnite using one hand with handcuffs and one hand without. So give me your hand. What?
You could turn the TV down.
I can't hear anything from the TV, so you know.
Not right now, but you about to. It's about to be too loud. It's at 21.
How do you know?
How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet? It's at 21. No, help. How much you want to? How much you want to bet?
I didn't see that.
How much you want to bet? How much you want to bet? Why are you ignoring me?
Oh, that's how I feel when you ignore me.
Okay, but I don't throw a fit like you.
I don't want to bet anything. I'm fine with that. But
Exactly, because you know it is at 21.
it's not.
It is at 21.
It's not.
It is at...
Can I get the handcuff back on, please?
Oh!
You just put it at 21.
No, I didn't. Because you know when you touch it, it's still going to be at 21.
You just put it back to 21.
No,
It's like, no, yeah, she right.
Exactly. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. I could change my pants.
Yeah, go ahead.
You gonna stop recording? It's dying.
Go ahead, get out of frame.
The battery is dying. You said people change their pants on camera all the time.
Get out of frame.
Why can't I?
There's nothing for you guys to see. I'm sorry. That's why you're struggling. Alright, this battery's about to die. I'll let you guys know when I get it, if I get a W or not. Ow, it hit my eyeball, bro.
Sorry.
No, you're not sorry.
I am
do
sorry.
That for?
You're crying.
Before I just shut off my game, let me show you guys what I got while we're out. I want to... Huh? I know, but I can get the footage that I need before it does. I got a basketball, got this car vacuum, got a rechargeable car battery, Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Also from Best Buy, I got another battery which is in the camera right now and it's also about to die. I did not win, but I placed third place. How many kills I got? I got 10 eliminations, my G. 10 eliminations. Oh my goodness, man. I got caught in the storm. I got shot in the back. But you know, you win some and you lose some. All still handcuffed to Jordan. So, you know, it happens. So I know it doesn't happen because I won't do it again. I'll be right back, guys. Let me play another game. I must admit, I did lose this round and I did place 53 and I only got 1 kill. So, you know, maybe these handcuffs aren't working like that in Fortnite. Because, you know, I'm not able to do everything that I want to do. I'm not able to move and build the way I want to build. But, you know, at least I still got 1 kill. Alright, right now it's 8:08 and we're about to go lay down and get ready for bed. I'm trying to get my jacket off. She's trying to get her bra off. She's trying to figure out a way how to get it off. I am stuck like this until what, 8:30
no, cause
something?
you about to put that jacket back on.
Yeah, on one arm. On one arm. I'm gonna be stuck like this until the morning to complete 24 hours.
Get out.
How? You better hope that don't pop. Any hope? Wow. Wow. Why you stuck? Hold on.
This is not okay.
You got it? That's not even fair. Try to do the same thing, but on your side.
No, you do it.
I'm not gonna be able to. Really, same thing. Yeah.
Why are you pulling it to my
Wait,
side?
this is what we want to do. Come on, wait, watch. Just let it hang in the middle like this. In the middle, it's fair.
No, it's not fair because I did not wear this today. This is what you wore.
Well, technically, we were together today.
No. Nobody told her to wear a jacket.
They complimented my outfit, so I had to wear it. This is torture. Guess what you want?
I'm sleeping comfortable. This is what I normally sleep in.
Alright, but I'm about to be moving in my sleep, so she's about to be waking up in the middle of the night because I don't be the one moving and I want to sleep because that's what I do.